5 Essential Tips from Successful Marketplace Sellers. Whether it is a hobby, a side hustle, or a thriving business, here is how to make the most of your online business. Housing everything from day-to-day essentials to unique one-of-a-kind goods, Facebook Marketplace is an amazing place to start selling. Help your products stand out from the crowd with these expert insights. You learn it from conversations with some of our top marketplace sellers and business owners. 1. Use categories to connect with your desired audience. It all comes down to trial and error. Find what works, learn from what didn't. Facebook Marketplace is divided into categories that people use to list, sort, and find all kinds of products. These categories not only help people find you, they also help get your products into the hands of the right shoppers. For instance, Salman, owner of Stockton Gems Shop, sells raw gemstones, tools, and accessories along with finished pieces. He opted to list all his items under jewelry after testing them across a few categories because he found that's where he was seeing the most traffic and interest. Because of the broader domain around jewelry, i.e., crafting, making, wearables, he tapped into a wider audience. Default text to Salman explains, "There's never any harm in pivoting an idea or approach as long as you're honest with yourself about how it's working out. Build a personal connection with your customers. You're a person dealing with people. It can be casual, conversational, and still professional." Steve, an entrepreneur focused on selling electronics and impulse buy small goods, think grocery store checkout lane items, chooses to sell his products on Facebook Marketplace because of the community and social aspects built into it. People come to Facebook to scroll. They want to spend time here and not feel rushed. They come here to connect. While it never hurts to automate your operations to save time, be sure to let your personality shine through and connect with your customers whenever possible. Consider personalizing messages or packages. Be friendly and communicative when responding to questions, and don't be afraid to crack a joke here and there. Or, as Steve puts it, adding a friendly "Hi Steve" at the start of a message can go a long way in ensuring that people come back for more. 3. Keep descriptions up to date and always ship products as soon as possible. Level set expectations from the jump. What you see is what you get. People are less likely to be disappointed or request a refund when they know exactly what they're getting. Show realistic photos of your product, not overly edited or stock images. Be honest with your item descriptions and communicate with your buyer directly and promptly about any questions they might have. Most importantly, set your shipping time frame and deliver on it. Steve explains, always ship as soon as possible. Today's buyers live in a next-day delivery kind of world. Be human, be real, and make them feel taken care of. That's the difference. 4. Reward repeat customers with an incentive. Monthly revenues change with the seasons. It's normal to see some changes. Salman tends to see the highest spikes in his jewelry sales around Christmas and Valentine's Day to holidays often associated with gift giving. Tap into these opportunities ahead of time by observing social and cultural trends, creating multiple listings. Salman currently has 300 plus at any given time, and including a hook to bring people back for their next purchase, such as a discount or gift for returning customers. 5. Promote your products to reach a wider audience. Boosting listings is a great way to get products moving. Facebook Marketplace has many features built exactly for that. In addition to adding trending and top relevant keywords and category types to your posts to improve your searchability, you should consider using boosted listings or joining buy and sell groups on Facebook to get your products in front of more people.